So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to test the APT 4.5-inch angle grinder, battery powered. The battery is like 1.5%, and it's in test mode, so we're gonna test it on a piece of a metal. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it's very powerful. It did take some time because the metal itself is so thick, and this is not a cutting disc, this is a grinding disc, so it's awesome. Thank you for watching again, the Mobile Technology Store, and see you next time. Peace.